you can easily turn any of your image into a cartoon or even a 3D image for animation. So you open your ChatGPT on your phone and come to this place where you have uh, add photo here. Click on photos, then it will go to your gallery. Select any image or the image you want to use. For me, I'll use this one to test this very tutorial for you. So once the image is uploaded, kindly just type turn it to 3D animation image. Once you type that, you click on this send, then you wait for it to load. This option is available for both free and paid version of ChatGPT. So it's getting processing your image. So just wait for it to process. Boom, and our image is here. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can animate this image, make it to talk or make it to react to something or even walk or do something. But this is how you can easily convert any of your image to a 3D image cartoon for animation. So make sure you follow me and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thank you.